So here's the third and final lesson about minor scales, and this one we're going to talk about D minor. As hopefully you now know by watching the first two, every minor scale has a relative major scale, and the relative major scale of D minor is F, because the minor scale is always formed from the sixth note of the major scale. So in F major, the sixth note would be a D, and to play D minor, you just play up from a D all the notes in an F major scale. Here we go. As you can tell, if you know the major scale, you can very easily play the relative minor scale. So that would be D minor. I'll just play a little improvisation for you. And once again, we're going to talk about the 1-5 relationship. So if you think of D minor as being 1, the 5 would be an A, and you turn it into an A7 to get back to the D minor. Now, as with the previous lessons, we talked about the dominant 5-7 chord containing notes that are not in the minor scale. And if you remember, it's the 7th note and the 6th note. So in D minor, the 7th is there, it's a C, and the 6th is a B flat. And you have two options. You can either raise just the 7th, or you can raise the 6th and the 7th. So let's start off by just raising the 7th. So instead of playing C, I'm going to play C sharp. A7, all mixes very nicely together. This time let's raise the 6th and the 7th, so instead of B flat, I'm going to play B, and instead of C, C sharp. So there you have it, all the options for the minor scale, and I think next week we'll carry on with something completely different. See you then.